pressure on line 3.
It's holding steady at 50 psi.
Forward. All right, set it down right there.
Look at the clarity here after the adjustment.
Much better.
Let's log that. The inlet temperature is steady at 95.
Good, the steam pressure is holding. We are cleared for the next phase.
See how it coats the spoon? It's almost ready.
Yes, the viscosity looks perfect now.
Raise the temperature slightly. The color is stabilizing too quickly.
Confirmed. Raising the temperature now. The shine is perfect on this batch.
Yes, the brushes are working well.
Once approved, the Jaggery blocks, marked with green quality tags, are placed back on the conveyor and moved seamlessly toward the packaging line.
Keep an eye on the heat shrink, making sure it seals correctly at the base.
Yes, the tension looks good now. We have a merge coming up on line 3.
Acknowledged. Keep the pace steady until then.
Route 4B to Gudivada is optimized. Confirm the dispatch.
Confirmed. Updating the ETA on the central ledger now.
All right, bring that next one forward.
Copy that, moving it now.
We need 2 more for truck 4. We need 3 more pallets for bay 4.
Copy that, sending the forklift over now.
Watch the stack on the left.
Rich in iron, magnesium, and potassium, this traditional superfood cleanses the body and provides sustained energy.
Finally done.
Yes, that was a long one today. Are we still meeting for tea?
Absolutely. I'm starving.
This is not just Jaggery. It is a story shaped by sun, soil, and human effort.